In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete an admin team member from Zoho CRM. We'll go step by step so you know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to safely remove an admin user from your account without confusion. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho CRM account using an admin profile that has permission to manage users. If you don't have the right permissions, you won't be able to complete this process. Once you're logged in, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. This is the main entry point for Zoho CRM, and you should land on your home dashboard or the last module you were working in. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings icon in Zoho CRM. This is where you manage all of the configuration options for your account, including users, security, and customization. Click on that gear icon. If you're managing a busy CRM, it's a good habit to always double check you're in the correct organization if you work with multiple accounts, since the settings apply only to the current one. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings area. From here, you want to find the section that deals with users. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled simply as users or users and control, but you're specifically looking for the users option. Click on users. This page shows you everyone who currently has access to your CRM, along with their roles, profiles, and status. Once you're on the users page, look through the list to find the admin team member you want to delete. You can scroll through the list, or if your organization is large, you might use the search bar or filters available within the users section to quickly locate them. What you're looking for is the admin user whose role or description indicates something like team administrator or admin. When you've identified the correct admin team member, click to select that user. This usually opens a detailed view or highlights their row so you can perform actions on that specific account. Now that you've selected the admin team administrator, you're ready to remove them. Look for an option that says delete this user or a similar delete action on their user profile. Click delete this user. Zoho CRM will typically prompt you with a confirmation message before permanently removing the user. Read this message carefully. Deleting an admin means they will lose access to your CRM, and depending on your setup, you may also need to reassign their records or responsibilities to another active user. Before you confirm, make sure you've already transferred any important leads, deals, or tasks that were owned by this admin to someone else on your team, if needed. This helps avoid any gaps in follow-up or reporting. When you're sure you're ready, confirm the deletion. The system will process the change, and that admin team member will be removed from your Zoho CRM user list. That's all there is to it. By going to crm.zoho.com, opening the settings with the gear icon, navigating to users, selecting the correct admin team administrator, and choosing to delete that user, you can cleanly remove admin access from your Zoho CRM.